As you can see, there have many reasons to fill up a sketchbook. So in this video, you are welcome. Greetings everyone. I wish everyone is well. So let's start our sketchbook chapter 7. There have a big announcement for you because I want to show you how I fill up my sketchbook. In this chapter, I will show you beginner level sketchbook tour, because in this sketchbook I like to share my ideas and different thoughts when I was studying in first year in my university. You can see how I fill it up. I fill it up by 3 points of view. Some of my ideas are here that I am dreaming about, or anything else that I want to share with you guys. There are many type of stuff. When I was beginner in sketchbook, I tried to express my feelings, my ideas, my thoughts in my sketchbook in different ways. There have many type of things that I usually watch around me in my university, so it helps me a lot to feel my ideas. When I was in my university first year student, there I have problem in figure proportion. So you can see in this video how I changed my figurative structure and get some good quality of ideas. If you are beginner in sketchbook, you should be follow 3 steps. These 3 steps are lower level sketchbook user and mid-range sketchbook user, then the higher sketchbook user. You can see how I improve my study sketchbook. You see that female figure, so it's really help you a lot. Then I will show you some other figurative study in realistic figure, as you can see in this video. So it also helps you a lot. At the same time, there have a one question: why are we using sketchbook, or what is the purpose of a sketchbook for using it? So there is only one answer in this question. The main purpose is to improve ourselves, and we will try our best experience and ideas to point out in sketchbook, because sketchbook helps a lot. If you want to be an artist or any type of artistic career you want to develop, you will definitely need a good sketchbook experience, because a sketchbook is just like a notepad that helps you to took down your ideas, your thoughts, your methodology about your any type of work. You will just take a sketchbook always with you. But now in 21st century, there are a lot of people who usually use a digital media or any type of digital things. But in the manual, sketchbook is really helpful, and it will help you a lot. So in this term, I want to discuss with you guys about old master sketchbook practice, how they interact with sketchbook, or how they try to express their feelings in sketchbook. So which medium or which type of student you are, if you have a sketchbook, you will definitely do well in any type of media or any type of art practice. So pencil is regular for beginner level or amateur level artists, before he or she will enter a media like paintings or any type of materials or tools he will use. This is really helpful for you guys, so just check it on my video and stay tuned with me and subscribe my channel. Until then, thanks you again.